I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have what you need: a theme backup and code access. First, download your live theme copy so you can revert if necessary. Next, open online store themes and click Actions Edit Code. Create a new template or a dedicated page by adding a new Liquid file named Coming Soon. Liquid, this keeps changes isolated. Once done, add basic HTML structure and link your CSS file so the layout doesn't break when you preview. Now build the page. Insert a hero section with headline, image block, and an email sign-up form using Shopify's form tag so subscribers go to your customer list. Add a JavaScript countdown or Liquid logic to show a launch date and swap content when the date passes. Make styles responsive with mobile-first CSS and test at different widths. Also create a section schema so you can edit text and images from the theme editor without finish by creating a Shopify page and assigning your new Coming Soon template. Then set that page as your home via navigation or theme settings, or enable the password page to restrict access. Once published, test signups and countdown behavior. If things go wrong, clear browser cache and verify asset URLs, then check console for JS errors. If layout is broken, restore the downloaded theme copy and reapply changes stepwise. Make sure to track email.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.